Good Lord. Just like Mama used to make. Well, maybe not your mama. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Welcome, 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 new people. Today I am going to make for you an all-time favorite. Y'all, I haven't had this in a long time, and I'm going to attempt to make it. We are going to have rice pudding. How many of y'all like rice pudding? Put it on down in the comment section. Now today I'm going to be using Paula Deen's recipe, and I pray that it's good. And I know a lot of you people still don't like Paula Deen. You said she stole recipes from the black people, but you know what? Y'all don't have any proof. You don't have any proof. But she did say the N-word. She did, y'all. She did. But you know what? People change, and you gotta forgive some people, okay? She has redeemed herself to me in my book. I don't know about y'all, but I don't hold grudges like that, okay? The lady's a pretty good cook. Now, I'm gonna make her rice pudding. I think she's missing a few things, because if it's not creamy enough, you're gonna see me add some milk and some other stuff, okay? Some extra stuff, like maybe an extra egg. But other than that, usually, her recipes are good, okay? With all of that being said, let's go make this rice pudding. Okay, I have 2 eggs here. Now, Paula Deen used 1 egg, but I feel like 2 eggs, that I need to use 2 eggs. You can follow her recipe to the exact if you want to, all right? But that's okay. I'm going to use 2 eggs. Still shouldn't make much of a difference. Okay, and then she also added, let me get my spoon, a little bit of tempered, condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk, y'all. Sweetened, all right? Put a little bit in here. We're going to be tempering. That's what she called it, tempering, okay? All right. Whew. That milk smells so good. All right. And then we're going to put a little bit of rice in here. This is called tempering. All right. Let me mix this all together. I've never heard of tempering before. I think I have, but I just didn't know how to do it. All right. You're going to mix and blend that very well. Okay, I have 2 cups of white rice. You can use any type of rice you want, okay? Then I'm just going to pour the mixture, the egg and the condensed milk into here. Y'all, just pour it in there, right? Whew, I'm stir it around just a little bit. 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 Twinkie don't like that. I don't blame him either. I don't blame him. All right. Then, people, after you have done that, you're going to add half of the condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can, y'all. 14 ounces, all right? You're going to add the half of it. Half. Not whole. Half. This milk is sweet, y'all. It's really sweet, It has vanilla in it, too. But it don't matter. I'm still going to use vanilla. Now, just in case this is not creamy enough, for me, I'm going to add milk. Ain't that right, Twinkie? Ain't that right? He's so upset. He wish he could taste this. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, make sure you preheat your oven at 325 degrees. That's what she said. Oops, sorry. I hit the camera. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. I'm kind of goofy sometimes. I'm goofy. Now I have a half a stick of real butter, not margarine, right? Real butter. But if margarine is all you have, then hey, go for it, right? Mix it all around there. Mix it around. Roll it around. Mix it. I think this whisk could be better. Let me see. Yeah, it might be. It might. Yeah, it's a little better. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Not imitation, real vanilla extract. Real, all right? Mix it very well now, okay? What else here? And I got a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, you got to watch out with nutmeg because it can take over. You know, it's strong. You know, if you like more cinnamon, add more cinnamon. It's up to you and how much you like. But I don't want to get too ridiculous, okay? I think Paula Deen added too much. She said it in her video. She wished she hadn't added so much. I think she added a teaspoon and 1/4, okay? I'm just doing a teaspoon. See how that work out. I pray to God it works out good. Ooh, Lord, y'all, this smells wonderful. Then you add your raisins in there. Go ahead, raisins. Go ahead. That's about, a half a cup. Okay, if you want less, hey, it's fine with me. Now, you can use any type of raisins you want. I use the golden raisins. I like that in my rice pudding. Now, I taste this, and to me, I needed just a little bit more sugar. So I'm adding like, about a tablespoon or less. I'm making a mess over here, y'all. I really am. But that's all right. You know, too bad I ain't got nobody to clean up for me. Had to do it myself. But taste it, y'all. Taste it. And make sure when you cook your rice, make sure, you know, you put some salt in it, y'all. You got to put salt in the rice. I don't know why I keep hitting that camera. You got to put salt in the rice when you're cooking it. Always remember that. I don't mean a whole lot, but you don't want your rice to be bland, okay? All right? You don't want that. Okay, I'm going to put about 1/4 of whole milk in here. All right? I like mine creamy. I like it creamy. All right, you see this? You see the consistency of this. Do you see how it just falling off the spoon? Just the way you want it, all right? That's the way you want it. Okay. Let's get this in the oven. I am going to use a 2-quart dish. Okay? You're going to use some Nonstick cooking spray. Right? You don't want your rice pudding to be sticking. Spray the sides. Alright? Spray the sides and the bottom very well. Then put it all in there. That's all you got to do. It smells so good. I can almost eat it like it is. Almost. Ooh. And you're going to cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. That's what she said now. That's what she said. That's what she said. You can wait till it's like, what, golden brown. It's up to you. All right? Spread it around there kind of evenly. Because, you know, you got your raisins in there. You want it to be even. I don't know if this is going to rise or not. I don't know. I got them 2 eggs in there. It just might. All right. Let's get it in the oven. You're going to cook this in the middle rack. All right, uncovered. Uncovered. Like I said, from 20 to 25 minutes. Ovens vary, so I don't know if that's true or not. All right, I don't know. But I'm just telling you, your oven may not cook it in that amount of time, so make sure you keep a check on it. And when it's kind of light brown, just light brown on top, then you can take it out, okay? Okay, if you like it a little dry, then leave it in there forever. I'm just joking. Let's check on it to see if it's ready. Ooh, smelling delicious, y'all. Let me pull it out and show y'all. Ooh, see that? Do you see that, y'all? This is the way it should look, okay? Just lightly brown, lightly brown. All right, let me put it in a plate for you. See if it's moist. It's time for a taste test, y'all. Ooh. Let me taste it. Let me see if it's dry. I know y'all don't want no dry rice pudding. Here we go. No, it's not dry. Some of y'all like y'all's real creamy. If you do, all you gotta do is just add your little evaporated milk, pat milk, carnation milk, whole milk, or whatever. Kind of stir it around in there if you like a little more creamy. Or If you like it creamy, if you want to bake it creamy, all you gotta do is put it in like a casserole dish that's sort of like deep, you know, not wide, deep, you know, so it don't be flat. That's how it dries up when it's so flat, okay? Now mine took about 35 minutes. Like I said, ovens vary. So if you want it light brown on top, you know, just go ahead and, you know, make sure you do it that way and don't let it overcook. But other than that, it's good. I like what I added to Paula Deen's recipe. Okay? This is really good and it's moist. Like I said, it's not dry. I think the butter kind of helps it out, y'all. It does. So please don't omit the butter. You don't want any dry rice pudding. Now, I'm gonna cook some more stuff next week. I was gonna tell you, but I don't tell you. Okay? Just make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You don't want to miss any of my videos. You don't want to miss them. Ain't that right, Twinkie? Ain't that right? Twinkie is my parakeet for the new people. He loves to talk when his mama talk, okay? But, all right, I think that's it. Make sure you try the rice pudding and put it down in the comment section. If you have a recipe you want me to try, also email me at cookingwithsandrafaye@gmail.com. And with all of that said, y'all, make sure that you come back next week to Cooking with Sandra Faye.